Hey guys, Project Saab here, and today we are going to be fixing something called our steering wheel angle sensor. I believe that's what it's called. For the most part, what happens is I'll show you the code and what happens with the car. Well, I can't really show you what happens with the car because it's intermittent, but it's a C0455 code. In a nutshell, typically when I first start the car up and I move the steering wheel, or if I try to pull off, usually a traction control light will come on and it'll say service StabiliTrak. Sometimes the steering wheel might lock up a little bit, or I might feel it like jerk to one side or something like that. So it's intermittent though. It's just going bad. Sometimes it only comes on sometimes, but the part looks like this. Obviously for your car it's going to be different, but this is part of the Trailblazer family, and the part number is right there. Go OEM on this one. Whatever your steering wheel angle sensor is for your car, go OEM. Don't go aftermarket for something like this. This is pretty expensive. I'm pretty much just going to show you guys how to get it done. I'm going to try to skip most of like taking the panels and stuff apart because I'm kind of running low on memory and battery life. So we're going to get on this, be quick about it, and I'm going to show you guys what I do. Okay, disconnect anything that's holding on to your lower panel, remove your screws. So now this, and now this should pull out just like that. What we're trying to get to is right here, this bad boy right here. So now, taking off these torque bits while this shaft is still connected, we're going to disconnect this here so that we can pull this sleeve down. This is what it looks like. This backhand side goes like that. So slide it out. I think this should just pull out. Yeah, it does. Just wiggle it out just like that. Good money. Ooh. The thing's just falling. Okay, sits right there. Perfect. Now we gotta remove these two torque screws. See what size that is. No, it's like right here. It actually has grooves here that it'll sit in. So pull it out. Now you have to remove this electrical harness right here. And I'm literally just gonna pull my finger up right there. Try to push that bitch out. Get back to you guys when I get it out. Okay, just showing you my progress. Just pop the clip off. You could probably even pull it off after you remove it. I'm literally just using my flathead right here, get it in between here, and just kind of slowly walking it out. You just wobble it, don't force it, just it should walk right on out. Be nice and gentle. It's coming out. There we go. Perfect. I'm using this is because I'm a little bit aware, there's a lot of sensors and stuff that deal with your steering wheel and the position of the tires, all that crazy stuff. So we don't want this to be turning while we're putting that in. So I'm using a steering wheel holder so that, especially something like, I think there's something called a clock spring in here. I don't want to break that or cause that any trouble or make it think something's wrong. So let's get this new part in there and let's finish up. There we go. Sheesh. Just walk it back gradually. And it's all the way in. You can hear that thing click. I think this pulls out. Yep. Just like that when it's all the way in. Install. Good. Now it's all the way in when that clip is locked in place. Just to show you guys how to tighten it, this is a 13 mil holding this side and 15 mil wrench right here. took a lot of power, and just tighten that down. Make sure it's not loose. You don't want that to ever get loose. All right. Pretty much at this point, we just have to put our plates back on, and we're done here. Let's get back to it. Just like that, you guys, they're all put back together now. I'm gonna clear out the ABS. Well, let's clear out the ABS code, and then we'll show you how to drop it. You just pull this right here, let go of that steering wheel, just like that. All right, right here, this is our ABS. We're gonna clear this out. Let's clear that out. Good, good, good. Now, start her up. No stability control light, that's good to see. And turning that wheel left, don't feel anything, no lights. Turning the wheel right, no more stability lights. That is awesome. Just like that, you guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time, out.